What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. Check this video, guys. Today I am going to tell you and show you how I did my garden in 14 days and have these grass grow up so fast. So you're gonna see before and after photos. So up next, I'm gonna show you a small video with the yard when I just got this house and how it looks and how it is now. So just take a little view now how it look, and then you will see how I do it step by step. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you don't already subscribe, and like and share my video. Thanks, guys. Check out my garden, guys. Check out my garden. In another few days, you're gonna see how my garden looks stunning. See the fence there? I remove them old fence there. Set up my garden real nice. See the tree them? Buy them my own depot. Nice. See it look now? Now it'll look like that in another few days. Yep, good to go. See it there? Check out my garden. So that's the grass seed. That's the lawn grass seed. So my buy this at Home Depot. Smart seed. So this is what I buy. I'm gonna set up my garden. And then I buy the fertilizer. Put over the seed when we finish. So that is what I buy, guys. So set up my garden. Let's show you the garden. So yeah, see there. You clean up the side here. You see the tree them here, buy 6 of them tree here. Then look at tree here for putting at the front. So over here is a plant already. I come water them here now. See? So these plants, they come in a pan. And if you can see, look good. See the fertilizer and the seed. You just throw down them on the ground. See there? Yep. So this is day 1, day 2, Day 2 of the garden. I keep you posted. Here we go, guys. Water in the garden. Make sure everything gets wet. Okay, so the flowers garden. I already some work on it. Check it out. That's my flowers garden. Buy them tree there yesterday. Flowers tree there. Time the grass step by step. Plant the gourds, the lawn seed. I dig it up today and plant the lawn seed and get it proper sort out. You finally get the bad boy. Finally get the bad boy. Me I tell you, the bad boy just a stress you out the whole time.
Yeah, that's supposed to be. You got the accent yesterday.
Eh? Yo. A bad boy they take up days to come out, man. I water them this morning, you know. Them here, them 1 year and them and the tree them water them this. Yeah. Eh, I think I boxes, huh? Guys, check it out here now. Just plant the seeds. I dropped 2 more little trees that's up on the the side, on the side there, so I see the garden a little more when it grew up. It'll turn up and change the fence them too. You know? A next bag of what?
Grass and fertilizer.
Oh, another seed? Yeah. Why two scatter?
Guys, you come like green, you team green.
Eh? That's what I got?
Patch.
See a tree at the garden. See how the tree look? Yeah. Need 2 more trees, one in the corner there over there, so. And one over there, so in another corner there, between them 2 there. It's all good. Yep.
Hello. Where you going? What about over here? Donna sow her seed, a plant her grass, you know. Donna be what channel? With her grass. That's chew grass like when they chew over. They chew powder. So then say people sprinkle island chew powder and something, you know that they say.
Where you get that stupidness?
That's what people say. That's how you see us chew the grass like that.
Oh God, man.
You ever hear somebody else go here?
Yeah. No, me see you. Just give me a visual.
This remind me when my dad country I feed cows.
Okay.
Yeah. This is that country I feed cows.
How this here, Junior?
This is mine when my dad Mountain View. I said rat for pies for rat.
Make up your mind away them are doing.
Set rat for poison. She gone on the next side there now.
Yeah, man.
She don't have nothing to do, you know. She try to find something to do.
This is my drip. This is my dry.
Get herself useful.
This is a garden I start plant up. Should I plant up already?
And then see a mud bridge in there.
Is that deer? Is that deer 4?
Yeah. Yeah, do pan them black. It's a selfie.
Where you start up with that?
I say my garden, I say 1. Just wait till the land grass ready. See? Liquor, Guinness, Heineken, Red Bull, NOC. That the man them are drinking now. We have to take good care of them, you know, because them are work hard. Look the man. Jesus, when you done with this lawn, yeah. I tell you, it bad. From 19 how long it bad. Take a good look on it. Okay, so this is a day 4 on the lawn. So you will see it in another. Hello! So you will see it in another couple days. All day, every day. Check out my garden. Mother Road. It's a day 4 on the garden. Day 4 I set up the garden. Yes sir. Yes sir, nice. Rain did a fall, so let's talk about the thing then. Okay, so this is day 5 of the garden. I woke up late, but I'm going to still water the seeds and make them grow. So, I water the trees, I water the plant, the root, water them all. I need to show you a before and after when I just started this garden. Okay, if you can see the seeds them here. I planted yesterday. The next step is to get the fence fixed. So, my garden. Next step is to get them fence here removed and put proper fencing. Yep. This is day 5, guys. Day 5, setting up the lawn. Setting up the garden, day 5. This is Max are going down there. Go on like him a pro, you see? Go on like him a pro. How to push porridge. A baby drink porridge in I saw that. A baby drink porridge now. Yeah, baby. Oh my God. They say you're the biggest baby when I rang me. Yeah. Day 5 on the lawn. Yeah? What guy? Oh, him out there, you tell him? Look what's gonna happen. Max are gonna kill somebody because he may want them to paint and he must sleep. And we take a little time to paint them. So look what gonna happen, look more when he kill somebody. Lord Jesus, Max asleep. And in project out here paint up when he never ready to paint up yet. A drama little more when he come out you can see them white up. And me I tell him say they don't look good, so you know. He still a say, but we're not ready to paint them yet, man. We're not ready to paint them yet. Make them stay, I'm going to enjoy them. But you know, he might come out here like a Fridays when he wake up and go and work later and see how they start white up. A drama like more. There's nothing you can do about it when it done white up already. You have to go wash them off. The biggest fun this year. Because me no like see them so. And I just come see them and paint them in a man and I say yes. Max give them the okay if he paint it. But guess what? He not give them the okay. A drama like more when he see them yeah. I not even not tell him nothing when he come see them wall white. Then when Max say when he see this? Because me miss it in now with you.
I'm look for me and I say you see it, I'm Nemo because so he say Bantan give me the job and Ray. He said, well, even if he give the job, you don't know, so me say me no want it done, whatever.
He call me and say, are you giving man them permission to paint this something? Me say, me come. Me say, so me miss it. Me miss it. Me didn't want to catch him on the camera and see when he come out.
No, man.
But me miss it.
Donna did bring them.
Me say, me? Me say, you soldier them. Me say, you soldier them, no say, it not look good. And them decide to change up the thing. Actually, I don't know, I'm glad say it change. Because they're ugly sitting there. I don't know when they want to look bad. Yeah, man, the thing turn up. You go cut it. See the garden there. Okay, so I buy them little stone thingy there. But them not enough. So this was what, 3 bags? But it not cover them good, so you know, say. Never know say that gonna take so much, but they are gravel, like some little stone. So what I'm gonna do now is go back to Home Depot. Go do it, the grass them I come up little by little, you know. And there. So Max never get mad today. Just say Never tell them I don't want to for paint yet. Very. So happy. So it's all good. I got hot garden there. Yeah. Hola. Hello. Okay.
So, tomorrow.
Alright. They say. So don't forget the rest of paint. Look at that. Damn. Flowers are, oh my god, my grass them are grow, could they? Jeez, peas. Watch my grass them. I did 6 this, you know, see them there spring up in a, oh my gosh, look there. John, no, look up on the Oscar and they so right here, day 6 and them are going to already. Oh my gosh. Damn. Day 6 and them are going so wild. Hey. Can't wait next week them time and them supposed to look green up and be things. Let's see. Watch the lawn, sir. Watch the lawn. Over here, so plant Saturday, most of it. Plant Saturday. So I barely see 1 and 2 little pop out. Right, just up on the lawn. Saturday and today today Tuesday. Right? Over here so now we plant some Wednesday last week. Watch there. Yo, them grass seed yeah. Watch out. Them grass seed yeah turn up Wednesday and them a bust out, so look there. Watch your grass them. No man. Them something that get me excited. And live to see them. See them pop out there. Look at this so ratty the wall. You see them pop out so quick. All them need, you know. A water, you know, once you cherish them, you get result. See the grass seed them and I say me I go plant some. And look here, 5 days over here, so 5 days. And look there, they're mad. They might get wild. Can you imagine next week them time here, oh yeah, so look. Beauty. Eh? It's a bantan. If you don't want in a garden, if it's set up nice, wanna just link me up, I have the link, okay? So, any which part of the day in the state, we will come set up the garden for you. You hear that? Check it out. See there? Family that. Family them are here. So let me know if you don't want the garden to fix. Garden turn up. Turn up till it buck. Check this out. Today is day 8 of the lawn. You see that? You see, because nobody now go over the corner there, you see how them grow up fast? Water them. Yep. Them a come, man. Slowly but surely them a come. So that. Say Milana, turn up in a man. Milana, come in a man. Ah, Jesus, as I open my eye morning time, me out here. As me open up my eyes, that's how much me love the whole planting thing. So when you grow up in a certain things, it no come out of you so easy, you know, man. I tell you, you know, you can see them a come up, you know. See the little 1 and 2 grass them there. This a day 8, you know. But because them did a work over here, then trample down my grass them. But see them take time I come up, you know. I get some fertilizer today and chew up on them. I need to do some work on the house bottom here, so that's why them trample up. So you can see, so them a peep out 1 by 1 and 2 2 over that side, yeah. Over that side that looks so much better because them barely over here. See up in the house corner there, so how them grew up. Jono Star. Man, I'm just loving this. I'm just loving this. See them a grow there? Yeah, man. Yeah, so nice. Get a view. Check out the view. Be a sitting. When this a grass a grow up. Can't wait. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about it. Yep. See the view there? Yep. It's look good, it look good, it look good. It's a good look. Okay, so this side of the house now, them corner here, we want to grab them with the gray. See? I grate out them sidewalk here. Put gray paint on it. You see house already, valley already gone up on the house here, no, man. Bantan. It's a new look. Yeah, do it last.
Yes,
Right, that's so wet. No, we buy it. We
was already in good condition.
yeah. You did already.
Remember the house here?
Oh, you do?
Yeah, and I'm saying, this house is a nice house. Anybody who get the house here,
Get a nice house,
yeah,
a nice spot.
backyard big.
So the gate here next. The gate here next. The fence here next,
yeah.
we are going to take it out. We are going to take out the fence here. No joke. So this weekend we want to try do it. Yeah. For real. Here comes my garden. Here comes my garden. Here comes my garden. Here comes my garden, my garden. Here comes my garden. Grass a grow, you can see grass a push up out of earth there. Here comes my garden. Here comes, this is day 9. So this is day 9 of my garden. Yay. Here comes my garden. Here comes my garden. Yes. Them a push up out there so. You can see them a push up little. Yep, here comes my garden. Okay. So this is day 10. So just get up and I come water up the grass, you know. See, them a pop up left, right and center around here. Yes sir. You can't keep down. You can't keep a good man down. See that? Day 10. See them there in all corners and cribbage and corners. Yes, sir, day 10. Look over here, sir. No, sir. Day 10, this, you know. So now I go water them because what I do every morning and evening, I water them twice a day and just leave them. See them there? Them a grow left, right and center, then they all about. Yeah, man. So next week them time today was Saturday morning. Saturday, July 18. So by about the 26, 27, you know them time there. Them while up over here, so I have to get the cutter and cut them down. Upon them on all over upon the outside. Yeah, you're so nice. This is day 10. Get up early this morning and water them. If you look good from a distance, you can see the little green them a come up. Yes sir. Yep. The green them a come up. The green them a. So I water them little more. Them look good. So them green there. I be things this, you know, man, when they pop up, you know. My garden I got turn up till the bulk, all the way up it I got turn up. Yeah, the fence you want to take down. What's the night garden, sir? I can't see nothing but lights. Garden at night. Max tell me today say I care more about the garden now I care about him. Anything can go so? Night garden. Day 12 of the garden. Day 12 of the garden. Like me I forgot to get more seed, man. Them look like them now come up fast enough. Then it look like them off patch. I'll wait still give a couple more days and see. Now wait, I go look. Day 12 of the garden. Day 12 of the garden. This is day 12. Day 12 on my garden. It's day 12. Okay, so this is day 13 of my grass, guys. Oh my gosh, look at my garden. Look at my garden. This is day 13. My garden is so nice. Seems like I have to go back to Home Depot because them kind of scatter a little bit. So it look like I gotta get more seed. I'm going to get more seed today at Home Depot. Yes. Rainfall yesterday. That's what up. Okay, so I am getting more grass seed and fertilizer to set up my lawn on day 14. This is day 14. Still setting up my lawn. Oh, my bachelor.
Guys, mother take care of the lawn here more than how she take care of me. Every day she depend on the lawn. Every day. One day in a pass.
Look like me have to go back at Home Depot. As you can see, the grass them a grow but them not fluffy. So look like me have to get some more grass seed. I have to get 2 more bag of grass seed. I'm gonna buy 2 bag already. So I'm gonna get 2 more bag because it's not thick enough. I want it to look rich. I mean, some of them still not grow up yet. But this is day 13. So you can see some space in between. So I'm gonna put a whole heap more grass seed in there. I'm gonna get 2 more bags today. And so then, because I want it to look fluffy, kind of look too scanty. Yeah, so nice. Yes, rainfall yesterday. And Joan the garden. I'm going to set them up here now. Today I'm going to come spend most of my day upon this today. I buy fertilizer and grass. As soon as I eat breakfast, go on Home Depot. Okay, just come from Home Depot. Day 14, same way. So I'm gonna buy some more of them gravel if you put on me them white stone. If you put on some of them whenever fluffy, and one here look good. I'm gonna add some more to them. And then I bouncy how I want them to look. Some of them. So I'm gonna buy 3 more bags. And so I'm gonna buy 2 more bags of grass seed and a bag of fertilizer. Yeah. That's all I care about right now.
Your garden.
Yes. No.
2 weeks. What week now?
I know 2 weeks yet. I have 14 days now. 14 days. What's a package that?
You're not your only. Your package that one come here.
That's not true. Tell a lie. Okay. So I just plant the seeds. Just sow the seeds. I just hope say them come up better now. I got to put the fertilizer upon them and the rain about for bus. So okay, seed sow, fertilize and everything. So let's see. They're 14 and them one they come up so nicely. We're gonna wait to see if they patch them. I go full up and it look bouncy how I want it. Yep. Still there, day 14, rain about the bus. So I'm not put no water upon them. It's a thunderstorm and rain. So I wait to see how the rain take care of them this evening. If not, come water them later. Yep.
Ajé mo pé It's Willem Jones in on the beat.
Money Latin low, money Latin la. Money believe, spend my jawe ola. Money Latin low, money Latin la. Oh.